Alright guys, today I'm going to go pick up a buddy of mine named Matt Brown. I want to do a series of a bunch of different videos about some awesome people that do very unique things. He does an art, basically it's rock balancing. It's using natural elements, stone. He's a very talented guy and he's going to show us all about it, alright? How'd you even get into this, man?
You know, I was hiking a lot, and I kept seeing, you know, stone balances, but not exactly like this. I kept seeing just piles, pretty much, trail markers, cairns up on, you know, summit markers.
Oh, like traditionally they stack for summits? What do they do that for?
Everybody that makes it to the top is supposed to add a stone, and it's not really supposed to be a balance, it's just a rock pile.
Okay.
And I just started getting more intricate with it. Realized that it calmed me down a lot. Changed my mood. It was very beneficial. And I discovered Michael Grab about 8 years ago.
Who's Michael Grab?
He's a world-renowned stone balancer from Boulder, Colorado. He does live balances for all sorts of designers, interior designers and stuff over in Japan. He does live showcase balances in prestigious art galleries. And I've just been following his whole career. And I've just been fascinated. And I'd love to be on his level one day. But he can pull off some pretty amazing shit with a lot of pressure on him. It's hard. It's really hard.
It's in the stories that we say, that someone's waiting to be told. The act encompasses the play. We watch the scenes we live on